Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation.
Hope you are well. Today I will show you how can you create this pricing package in Microsoft Word document. Before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe to get new updates. And if you want to get the template, you can download this template from this site. I will attach the template link on the video description, also on this site. So let's start the tutorial. Firstly, you should create a new Word document, then open it. Now go to insert menu, then click on text box, then shows the simple text box, and click on the right side of the mouse, then click on format shape, then click on text options, then all the left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin will be 0. Okay, perfect. Now we will change the shape outline color to no outline and the shape fill color to no fill. Now we will delete this text and rename it to your photography studio. Okay, the font will be Leto, so change the font to Leto and the font size will be 9. Okay, and the paragraph alignment will be center. Change the layout option to in front of text, then move it to the top side. Okay, now we'll create another text box for pricing package. So we will duplicate this text box. Press Ctrl from the keyboard and hold and move it to the downside. Now increase the text box size and the font will be Blender TF and the font size will be 60 point, and change this text to pricing package. Now we will create a circle shape. So go to insert menu, then go to shapes, then click on oval. Press shift from the keyboard to create proportional circle and change the shape outline color to gray and shape fill color to this color. Okay, we should decrease the shape size a little bit. Now we will duplicate this shape. So press Ctrl from the keyboard and move it to the downside. Press shift from the keyboard to select all these shapes. We will decrease the shape size. Okay, perfect. Now we will fill this shape with a picture. So select this picture shape and go to format, then click on shape fill, then picture, then work offline and shows a picture. Okay, perfect. You can fill these all shapes with these options, or you have another option. So right click on the mouse, then click on format shape, then click on this fill color, then click on solid fill, click on fixture or texture fill, then click on insert fixture from. Okay, so I have shown you two options for filling fixture in these shapes, so I am skipping this step. Now we will create another text box for this. So duplicate this text box, press Ctrl from the keyboard, and rename it to indoor session. And change the font to letter bold, and the font size will be 12. Now create another text box. So duplicate this, and the font will be Roboto. And change this bold to regular, and the font size will be 9 point, and rename it to this up to 5 words, maximum 50 digital images with your requirements. I am skipping it with pasting this sample text. And change this space, line space to 1, and click on the remove space after paragraph. Okay, now we will duplicate this text box again, and rename it to the price. And change the font to Ebony, and the font size will be 14 point. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this 3 text box for 8 options. Just select these 3 shapes, press shift from the keyboard, then duplicate these 3 shapes, press Ctrl and hold down to this, and we will create 8 options. So just select them and duplicate them and move them to the appropriate position. We will change this paragraph option to right alignment, also this, Okay, perfect. Now we'll duplicate this text box and move it to this bottom position and rename it to your contact number. I am skipping it and change the font size to 8 point. Okay, perfect. We have just created our pricing package in this Microsoft Word. So hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.